Hello again. Today we have iPhone 13 Pro. I put it in the heating plate. As you can see here, the screen is broken. It's badly damaged. See the black spot here. So first of all, I did remove the two screws here in the bottom. Now I need to lift the screen up after I already put it in the heating plate. Since the screen is badly broken and the display, the main original one, I don't need to add it like to that opening tools because I don't need to save the screen. The screen is already broken. So I just put it in the heating plate just to make it easier to open it. So now we need to remove this plate on top of the battery connection and the LCD. If you have iPhone and you need LCD or battery or charging port replacement, you are very welcome to come here in the Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs in Richmond Hill, Ontario. So now we need to remove the plate to enable to unplug the Face ID flux. Okay. Then we need to take out the Face ID sensor from the broken screen to add it to the new screen. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe in the channel and share it with any friend who need any like iPhone or iPad or MacBook, computer, laptop repair. We do all this stuff here in a spot. So now slowly we need to remove the flux from the broken LCD. Here we go. This is the new LCD. We will put back the sensor. This is the bracket. Come in. Sorry, I have customer. Okay, so customer brought his computer for repair. So now we'll continue. Let us test it before we install it. This is the Face ID working. He said the back camera has problem. Yeah, the back camera has problem as he mentioned. The Face ID working, the front camera working, Wi-Fi, everything is good. Volume up, down, power button, all the functions are working except the back camera, because he mentioned the back camera is not good. He dropped it and he damaged the camera. So now we will clean the shield and we'll add a new one, and we'll close the LCD and we will call the customer. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe in the channel. See you next video. Thank you.